Hello, my loves. Today we're going to do a quick chapter review. Well, I'm not going to review it. You're going to review it. So how do you review and practice for an assessment? So remember, we're not using that word study anymore because we want to use words that really give us a clear idea of what studying should look like. So we're using the words review and practice. Review means to view, to see it, to look at it, to read it, or to watch it again. So it means to do it again. So view the textbook pages again. View the workbook pages again. View the videos again. That's what review means. And then, of course, practice. Do those problems again. You're going to practice those. So here are some other ways to review and practice for an assessment. Watch the lesson videos again and then use paper and pencil to solve. Review the textbook. Solve a problem from each lesson. Professor Berger videos. YouTube videos are a great way to review. Study jams will help a lot. And you can also go to the end of the chapter for the review test and use those practice pages from the workbook. The PDFs are on my home page. All right, so here is my home page. And if you look down to my files, there you'll find the practice workbook pages. Right here, chapter 11. Now you don't have to print them. You could if you want to. Or you could simply just look at it on the screen and then write it on a piece of paper. So that's something that you can also do. So going through all of this, you can practice for any assessment. And this doesn't go for just chapter 11. This goes for next year when you're in 6th grade. How do you practice for any assessment? You do everything you can to find those resources and use them to your best ability. So here on my home page, that's where you'll find those PDFs. And you can also go here to the links page. All of those really helpful links are going to be right here. So the first links page is called, if you look up here, Links to Support Distance Learning. So these are just some links that are really helpful for us. If you click on the drop-down menu, let's find those math resources. And let's see what resources we can find. Well, there you go. Here's Study Jams. That'll help you. Here's the Go Math textbook. The Math Antics YouTube page. Mega Math. You can play some math video games. Here are the Math on the Spot videos. They're all right here in my links. Okay? So, what you need to do today is you need to make sure that you've finished those iReady lessons that I assigned to you. Make sure you get those 50 minutes in of math and 50 minutes of reading. Now, tomorrow, you're going to have a sort of test for chapter 11. Now, it is not for a grade. It's just like that mid-chapter checkpoint that we did. Remember how you did it and then you submitted it and it would give you your own score? But I'm not taking that grade for the report card, okay? The only grades that I'm taking for my grade book are those iReady lessons. But I still want you to study and practice. Nope, not study. Review. Oh my goodness, it's a hard habit to break. I want you to review and practice because this is for you. Remember, this isn't not for a grade. None of this is really for a grade because grades don't matter. Grades, they don't matter. What matters is that you learn. And really what a grade is it just shows how much you've learned. Now, if you know how much you've learned, then you don't care what kind of grade I could give you because you know in your heart that that big, beautiful brain of yours is growing stronger and more knowledgeable every day. So that's kind of like being healthy for the sake of being healthy. You're not going to be healthy because Miss Allison told you to be healthy. You're not going to brush your teeth, hopefully not just because someone told you to. You want to brush your teeth because A, you don't want stinky breath. B, you don't want your teeth to fall out. And C, you don't want to get sick because you can really get sick from having an unhealthy mouth. So you should brush your teeth because it's the healthy thing to do, not because somebody tells you to. And that's kind of what grades are. The fact that you have a big, beautiful smile is kind of like having an A plus. That means that we can tell you've been brushing your teeth. And if you forget to brush your teeth, you kind of have some unfavorable reactions from people, right? They might kind of back away. You have a little bit of a stinky breath. Maybe they don't look so clean. So that would be something like maybe you got a B because you forgot to study or you forgot to practice that day. But we don't want you to do things to make other people happy or to fulfill anything that they think you should do. You need to do these just for you because it's the best thing for you. All right, my loves, go and review and practice. It was really hard for me not to say study. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye-bye.